Hello everybody, I'm doing an unboxing of something I got for Christmas. It's the 10 skateboards, TMR kind of things. Kind of like what the Eminem got, whatever, Josh got, for the same website. And I've heard they're shitty, I've heard they're good, so I don't really give a fuck what they are. Even if they do break in a little while, I mean, who gives a fuck? God, they make it so Jesus Christ himself couldn't get into this. Here's the grip tape and sheets. Here's the boards. They're fucking heavy. I think it's great. They're great. They look great. Feel great. Probably should have got some scissors. Never mind. Here's one of them. That one already had a pressure crack. What the fuck? That's crazy. Yeah, but these things are probably made out of fucking toothpaste, so they'll probably be breaking pretty rapidly. But you know what? There's fucking 10 of them, so I could really. And they come with fucking grips, so I could really give two shits. Yeah, here's some white ones. We got the red ones, and there's blue, and then there's black. So some variety of colors. Oh, there's like 4 black, so there's a lot more black than other colors. Yeah, there's no reason me just unwrapping every one of them. What that's fucking gonna take a million years. So, yeah, that's what I got. I'll give a review after I've skated like 2 of them, 3 of them, I don't know. So yeah, bye. I don't know if you can see that, but this one's already got a pressure crack and like a little crack on the tail. It's a good thing I skate the nose of boards. But yeah.